Hi, I am Nitika Bhandari. I did my graduation in Instrumentation and Control Engineering from NSIT 2013 batch, and I am currently working with Oracle. I have been working with Oracle since July 2013. This year I gave CAT and I scored 98.13 percentile. And previously it was 82 percentile and 94 percentile in the second attempt. This year I also gave SNAP and it was 98.94 percentile. I received calls from IIM Lucknow, Kozhikode, Indore, Shillong, MDI, SP Jain, SCMHRD and SIBM Pune. I converted all my calls and I'll be joining IIM Lucknow this year. As I'm a working professional, whenever I happen to miss a class due to office work, recorded lectures came to my rescue, wherein I could see the recorded lectures and be updated with the progress of the class. As a working professional, I always had time crunch. The class used to get over by 12 in the night. So basically, during the weekdays, I never had time. But the maximum preparation or the self-study that I did was on my weekends. Although I had to forego my social circle for it, but again, it was all worth it. I followed a 3-step approach in my preparation, wherein the first part involved clearing all the basics by attending the classes regularly. The second was to build up my speed on the topic by going for the sectional tests. And thirdly, to actually test my understanding of the topic by solving the previous year CAT questions. In my case, all the sectional tests and the previous year topic-wise CAT questions were available on the alphanumeric portal itself along with the solutions. The online course was very exhaustive in itself, so I never felt the need to refer to any other additional sources for preparation. You can relate to it with the fact that we solved around 300 questions on PNC in class. The program I joined was a very detailed one. It had all the questions from the very basic to the most advanced level. All I did was religiously follow the course. The biggest push during my course of preparation that I got was with the alphanumeric boost camps that it had to offer. We had 10 days program in August, followed by a 10-day program again in October. This had 12 hours classes from 9 in the morning to 9 in the night. Although it looks a bit challenging, but by the end of the third day, I could sit at a stretch for around 5 to 6 hours and study. The other advantage that I got with this boost camp was that I came to realize my weak areas and I could work further on it to improve on them. The sessions, though online, did have the chat facility to raise the doubts, and they were readily answered by Nitin sir and Rahul sir during the course of the sessions. Also, during the sectional tests or mock tests, if we had doubts, though there were detailed explanations, but still there was an ask a doubt feature wherein we could type our doubt and send it to the faculty. Rahul sir even called us personally to explain the doubt. The IIM Lucknow had a 2-stage process. The first was a 15-minute SWAT followed by the interview. The interview had the usual icebreakers, tell me something about yourself, followed by questions on my work profile, and then why MBA, and ultimately my view of the GNU controversy. Placement Board is a great initiative. They're trying to get all the resources and all the experiences under one roof. It is definitely going to help all the future aspirants. Do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. All the best from my end to the team.